Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts. Michael here. Today's video is all about how to tag someone in TikTok video. If you ever wondered how to give someone a special shout out or simply want them to see your amazing content, tagging is the way to go. Stick with me to learn how to do it step by step. Now let's dive in. Fire up your TikTok app and tap on the little plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. You can either upload a photo, add some text, or like we're going to do today, record a quick video. So let's hit that record button. Done recording? Awesome. Tap on the little check mark at the bottom right. Now, you'll see a little smiley face icon. Go ahead and tap that. It'll open a drop-down menu labeled Stickers. The second option you'll see is the @ symbol. Tap it, and you'll be able to start typing the username of the person you want to tag. TikTok will even suggest people you might want to tag based on your history. Once you've tagged someone, you'll see their username appear on your video. You can drag it around, and if you tap on it, you can even set its duration. Want it to disappear after a few seconds? You can totally do that. If you want to make the tag subtle, you can shrink it down and hide it in a corner. That way, it's there, but not too distracting. And there you have it, you've successfully tagged someone in your TikTok video. They'll get a notification and can even share your video with their own followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop any questions in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome TikTok tips. See you in the next video.